sky. Still forgetting every soul must die. Gold upon the table, hunger upon the street, children sleeping every day for bread to eat. Me hear the old man softly cry. Truth not dead. People only pass it by. Babylon sleeping, still believing him away. Babylon sleeping, every promise start to break. With the heart, free the mind, leave deception far behind. Babylon sleeping, Jah truth never blind. Them count money, but them never count tears. Them build weapons through the passing years. The river dirty, the forest thin. Still them wonder where the storms begin. Nature speaking every day, but mankind turn and walk away. The earth now belongs to kings. Every bird still free to sing. Reasoning, hear me brother, a prison built from fear need no iron bars. A chain built from greed hold tighter than steel. Freedom living inside the mind. Babylon sleeping, wake before too late. Babylon sleeping, love can conquer hate. Stand together, side by side. Let compassion be your guide. Babylon sleeping, open every eye. Me grandmother tell me long ago, plant good seed wherever you go. Till man there who refuse your hand, still spread peace across the land. The tallest tree begin as dust. Every blessing born from trust. Rain don't choose the rich alone. Sunlight shine on every home. Jah no measure what you own. Jah measure what you own. Darkness which fight. Bag and whisper. Lead guitar answer. Voices echo softly.
Wake up,
Wake up,
wake up,
Babylon sleeping.
wake up.
Wake up, Babylon build palace pon Vanity Hill. Yet hungry picnic cry, still suit and tie, high trembling heart. Truth and justice drift apart. That right history holding them. Still Jah know the truth of men. Every lie have feet of clay. Morning light expose the day. to grow. Still the heart must learn to know. Wisdom whisper, never shout. Faith remove the deepest doubt. Me sit beneath the ancient tree, listening